So when that report lands in your inbox as a buyer, your job isn't to demand every single line item to get fixed. It's a strategy. Some things get negotiated as a credit, some get repaired before closing, and some just get noted so you know what you're walking into down the road.
And that's where the numbers come in. Is it worth asking the seller to fix it, take a credit, or handle it yourself on your own timeline with your own contractor? Sometimes facing a $500 repair costs you more in negotiating leverage than it's actually worth.
We had a buyer once who wanted to go to war over a $200 item. $200 on a $500,000 deal.
Yeah, I remember that one.
Yeah, and I had to sit there and say, well, I understand the principle, but we're not blowing up your dream house over the price of a nice dinner.
And we talked them down.
Barely.